Good day everyone, I'm Jason Orias. I'm a man of technology. Welcome to my tech blog. Hi everyone, welcome back to my blog, the second week of my blog. Now I want to tell you about 5 technologies. First, I want to talk about useful kitchen technology that many families use, the oven. You might have seen an oven being used to bake cakes, cook food, or heat meals. But what really is an oven and why it is helpful? Let's find out.
A few moments later.
Function of an oven. Oven is a machine used for cooking food. It can bake, heat, and toast different kinds of food like bread, pizza, chicken, and cakes. You just set the time and temperature and the oven cooks the food for you. The advantage of an oven have many good uses. They help cook food faster and easier. Second, they are great for baking and making food crispy and delicious. They also helpful because you can do other tasks while the oven cooks your food. The disadvantage of an oven have many some downsides. They need electricity or gas. They can be expensive. Oven can also get very hot, so you must be careful to avoid burns. If not cleaned properly, leftover for inside can cause smoke or bad smells. My summarizations of an oven, to sum it up, oven is a useful technology that helps people cook and bake food easily. It saves time and make food delicious, but it should be used carefully and safely. So, thank you for watching everyone. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more simple Teach Talk. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my vlog, the second day or second technology. Today I want to tell you about another useful technology, the generator. You might have seen a generator during brownouts or in a places there is no electricity. But what really is a generator and why it is important? Let's find out.
A few moments later.
The functions of a generator is a machine that makes electricity. It uses fuel like gasoline or diesel to create power. When there is a power outage, a generator can run lights, fans, TV, or other appliances. The advantage of generator: first, they give electricity during brownout so work can continue. Second, they also helpful in emergency places like hospitals or stores that need power all the time. Generators are useful when there is no electricity or you are in a remote area. Disadvantage of a generator: they need fuel, and fuel can be expensive. Generator can be noisy and may produce smoke when it's not good for environment. Users must already also handle them carefully to avoid accident. My summarization: generator is a helpful technology that provides electricity when we need it most. It is very useful during runouts and emergencies, but should be used properly and safely. So that's all, everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Tech Talk. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my vlog, the third day or third technology. Now, I want to share one of the helpful technology that we see in schools, office, and even in our homes, the water dispenser. You might have seen a water dispenser where people get cold water, hot, or sometimes warm water. But what really is a water dispenser and why it is useful? Let's find out.
A few moments later.
Functions of a water dispenser is a machine that gives clean drinking water. It can give hot, warm, or cold water just by pressing a button. People use it to drink water easily or to make coffee, juice, or instant noodles. The advantage of water dispenser: first, it's easy to use. Just press the button and get water. Second, it makes water clean and safely to drink, which help us stay healthy. It also saves times, but we don't need to boil water every time. The disadvantage of water dispenser: water dispenser needs electricity to make water hot or cold. It also needs refills when the water bottle is empty. If not cleaned properly, the water dispenser can become dirty or unsafe. My summarization: to sum it up, water dispenser is a helpful technology that gives clean drinking water. It makes getting cold, hot, and fast easily. Just make sure to clean it and use it properly. So, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple teach talk. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my vlog, the fourth day or fourth technology. Now, I want to talk about one of the most useful and simple technology we use every day, the bike. We see bike everywhere, on the road, in the parks, and even at schools. But what really is a bike and why it is helpful? Let's find out.
A few moments later.
Functions of a bike is a vehicle with two wheels. You use your feet to pedals and the bike moves forward. It helps people travel to places like school, works, or the store without using fuel. The advantage of a bike: first, riding a bike is a good exercise. It helps makes our legs strong and keep us healthy. Second, bikes are eco-friendly because they don't use fuel and don't create smoke. They also cheap to use since you don't need to buy gas. The disadvantage of bike, they are slower than the cars and cannot travel very far very quickly. If the road is wet or busy, riding a bike can be dangerous. You need to be careful and wear helmet for safety. My summarization, to sum it up, a bike is a simple but very useful technology that helps people travel, stay healthy, and save money. It is good for the environment, but it should be used safely and responsibly. So, that's all everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech talk. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my vlog, the last day or fifth technology. Now, I want to talk about a very popular technology that many people use today, the AirPods or wireless earphones. You might have seen people wearing AirPods while they walk, exercise, or watch videos. But what really is an AirPods and why it is useful? Let's find out.
A few moments later.
Functions of an AirPods. AirPods are small earphones that let you listen to music, watch videos, and answer calls without using any wires. They also connect to your phones using Bluetooth so you can move fairly while using them. The advantage of an AirPods: first, they are wireless so you don't have to deal with tangled cords. Second, they are easily to carry but because they are small and come with a charging case. They are also good for multitasking, like listening to music while working, studying, or exercising. The disadvantage of an AirPods: they can be expensive, especially to branded ones. They also need to be charged so you don't use them when the battery runs out. Because they are small, they can be lost easily if not kept in case. My summarization: this is, you need to your ears. My summarization: AirPods is a cool, helpful technology that let you listen to music and take calls without wires. They are comfortable and easy to use, but they should handle carefully so they don't get lost or run out of battery. So that's all everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech talk. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.